Grüezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make okonomiyaki. This is a sort of Japanese omelette or savory pancake that is beloved all over Japan and even the entire world. The perfect combination of the freshness of cabbage, the fattiness of bacon, and the umami of the special okonomiyaki sauce makes this the ultimate street food. Are you curious how this delicious dish tastes like? Then let's roll into the kitchen with us and make ourselves some okonomiyaki. First, we'll start with the batter. If you can get your hands on some Japanese yam, then you can make the entire batter from scratch. But for us, it's a little hard to get that, so we're gonna use the ready-made okonomiyaki flour mix. It's totally fine to use the ready-mix flour if you cannot have access to all the individual ingredients. It is still perfectly authentic as long as you make it with love for the Japanese cuisine. Now, let's make 120 grams of okonomiyaki flour with 1 pack of dashi powder and 180 milliliters of water. Mix it well so the dashi powder dissolves and distributes the umami taste evenly. Once done mixing, you can put the batter into the fridge for at least an hour or better yet, overnight. While the batter is resting, we can prepare our topping. Okonomiyaki in Japanese practically means to grill whatever you want. So you can do just that. Just add any topping you want. The sky and the depth of your pockets is the limit here. For us, we're gonna use some traditional toppings. So chop and mince 200 grams of white cabbage and 150 grams of bacon into small pieces. Also mince about 2 heads of scallion. Once done chopping and mincing all the topping, you can add it into the well-rested batter along with 4 large eggs and 2 tablespoons of benishoga or Japanese pickled red ginger. Mix it well till all the ingredients incorporated. And now, let's fire up your pan and start frying your pancake. Put some oil into the pan and turn the heat on so the pan gets really hot. Once it's hot like your boyfriend says, you can scoop the batter into the pan. Use 2 spatula to shape your pancake like we do here, to about a size of the man's hand and about half a fingertip thick. Lower the heat to medium and fry the okonomiyaki covered for 5 minutes. Then flip it onto the other side and cook it covered for another 5 minutes. After a total of only 10 minutes, your okonomiyaki is done. You can take it out and give it a good slathering of the oishi okonomiyaki sauce. It's the same as the tonkatsu sauce, so if you want to learn how to make the sauce from scratch, just check out our tonkatsu video right here. Link is also in the description. You can learn to make both the sauce and a delicious and crispy tonkatsu to go with your okonomiyaki. And don't forget to give us some nice Japanese mayo on top and make it lively with some Katsuboshi. And voila, there you have it, your very own homemade okonomiyaki that's going to satisfy any pancake or pizza or omelette cravings. And don't worry if you are addicted from the first bite. Now you've gotten our video to show you how to make okonomiyaki yourself to feed your yummy addiction. And if you want more, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more delicious recipe. And now, all that's left is and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu. Mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.